In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy images from WhatsApp Web. Whether you're using WhatsApp Web for productivity or to stay connected with friends and family, there might be times when you want to copy an image to share elsewhere or keep for reference. Let's walk through this straightforward process together, ensuring that by the end you'll have a solid grasp on how to do this effortlessly. Firstly, open a web browser on your computer and navigate to the WhatsApp Web interface. If your browser isn't already pointed at the site, type web.whatsapp.com into the address bar and hit enter. You'll see a QR code on your screen, which you need to scan using the WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. Open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the 3 vertically aligned dots in the top right corner and select WhatsApp Web. Use the camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. This will link your phone's WhatsApp with the web version. Once logged in, look for the chat containing the image you wish to copy. Scroll through your recent conversations list, find the chat and click to open it. If it's an older conversation, you might need to use the search function at the top of the chats list to locate it. Simply enter the name of the contact or a keyword related to the conversation into the search bar, and it should pop right up. Now that you have the chat open, locate the image you want to copy. You may need to scroll through the chat to find the specific picture you have in mind. Once you spot it, hover your mouse over the image. Depending on your browser and setup, you might see some icons pop up, such as options to download or view the image. However, our focus is copying the image, not downloading it just yet. The next step is to right-click on the image. When you do this, a context menu will appear with various options related to the picture in question. Among these, you want to select the option labeled Copy. By selecting Copy, you effectively store the image onto your clipboard. Now you're ready to paste the copied image wherever you need it. Navigate to the location where you plan to use the image, like an email draft, a document, or another messaging platform. Once there, click into the text box or document and right-click again. From the context menu that appears, select Paste, or simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. And there you have it. You now know how to copy images from WhatsApp Web. It's a simple 2-step process, but understanding exactly how to do it makes your online communication more efficient and versatile. Feel free to revisit any part of this tutorial if you need a refresher and practice these steps until you feel confident. Thanks for watching and happy copying.